Make a quiche Lorraine. Quiche Lorraine is a traditional French dish that is quick to make but is full of flavor. Made of a delectable crust, quiche is made of eggs and cream to create a hearty, delicious, and nutritious meal. It can be eaten alone or as a side to another dish. Quiche Lorraine may have a fancy name, but it only takes a few minutes to put together. If you use ready-to-cook crust, you'll be enjoying a serving of quiche Lorraine in no time. Here's how to make quiche Lorraine. Get a pre-made pie crust. Make the preparation easy on yourself and use a pre-made pie crust. Choose a 9-inch flaky pie crust. This can be easily purchased at the frozen food section of most grocery stores. Don't get a graham-based crust. Preheat the oven. Turn on the oven and preheat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This way, the oven will be nice and hot and ready for you when you are done with the preparations. Prepare the meat. Bacon gives the quiche its rich smoky flavor. Get 10 slices of bacon and cut into 1-inch strips. In a skillet over medium heat, fry the bacon until done. Remove from the pan and drain the excess fat. Set aside the cut-up bacon pieces. Don't throw away the fat of the bacon on the skillet because you will still use it later on. Prepare the other ingredients. Grate some Swiss cheese until you have about a cup. If you don't have Swiss cheese, you may also use Gruyere cheese. Get a small white onion and mince it. Cook the onions in the pan where you have the remaining bacon fat. Cook until the onions are transparent. When done, remove from the heat. Combine these two ingredients, along with the cooked bacon, and arrange in a layer in the pie crust. Make the egg cream mixture. Get a medium-sized bowl and combine 4 eggs and 2 cups of cream. Whisk well together and add salt and pepper to taste. When it is well blended, pour the egg cream mixture in the crust. Bake in the oven. Carefully place the pie crust with the egg cream mixture in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. To check if the quiche is ready, give the pan a slight shake. If the top jiggles loosely, then bake for an additional 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is set. Allow to cool. When the quiche is done, remove from the oven and allow to cool on the counter for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it has cooled a bit, it's ready to serve. Cut into wedges and serve. You can garnish the quiche with a few thin slices of leeks or parsley. Try this recipe and see how your family enjoys it. You can also serve it as a side dish for your next gathering or luncheon together. Your guests will be impressed and think you spent hours in the kitchen for something that really only took just a few minutes to cook.